In this profit video review, I'm going to be showing you a video editing software that's going to allow you to replace expensive software like Camtasia and even record your screen and edit in the cloud in minutes. Make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ProfitVideo, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses, including a bunch of them with resell rights. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says create, edit, and sell unlimited videos for a low one-time price. Brand new Camtasia killer software lets you record, screen capture, and edit videos in the cloud within minutes. Say goodbye to expensive and complex video editors or having to pay others for your videos. So it allows you to basically record your screen. You can edit your videos. It's all in the cloud. You don't have to worry about if you're on a Mac or a PC. AI-based video recorder, publish and share with one click. Commercial license, so you can actually sell these videos. Multiple import sources. You can record from your camera, your microphone, your screen, or a combination. Import any video, audio background, image with drag and drop. Clip, cut, trim, or join videos with ease. Overlay animations, tons of stuff included in this for a very low price software. Step 1, you just log into the software. Step 2, you record your screen, camera, or mic, drag and drop any of the done for you video templates right into your editor. And then step 3, you can edit it and then create your video using this. You can upload it to YouTube, upload it to Vimeo. Here's some screenshots, money that they've made here. I'm not sure how relevant that is, what to do with this, but this one is more relevant. I will do professional editing for your video projects. You could actually provide this as a service to people and edit videos and be a video editor for other businesses as well. As well as you can use it for your own business as well here. So I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom. And if you purchase today, you're going to get access to all this. You get the software, you get the screen recording tech, you get the thumbnail creator, publish and share instantly, commercial license, all these different things, all included for a very low one-time price. Now, you also get the commercial license, of course. Now, here's something I want to show you. Something that probably a lot of people won't show you. When you come to the sales page, move your mouse away, and this discount code is going to pop up. You get the lowest price on this. I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want you to get the lowest prices on these. So give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. Okay, I'm going to show you a quick demo video of the software actually in action, and then I'll be back to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and discounts.
This is a video created with ProfitVideo. And I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to edit videos with ProfitVideo. So let's just dive right in. So after logging in, we're heading to Video Maker, and here we have all of our videos. And here we can see the exact video we just saw. Here it is. Now, let's quickly play around with it. So we're going to place it in our clipboard where we're going to do all of the editing. As with any video editor, I can place several videos in the clipboard and join them. But we're just going to focus on this one for now. So you have a bunch of options. You can add subtitles, you can add text, we can add a watermark. For example, we can edit wherever we want. And using this drag and drop timeline editor, you can also select how long the watermark should last. What's more, you can also select a certain section of a video. So for example, if I'm going to choose these first 10 seconds and I'm going to just cut them here, you'll be able to see the whole video now has 10 seconds. We can also do this for several other things. We can add different filters and we can just give it some contrast. And you can see this image has a crisper quality. You can also crop. So for example, if I don't like that logo, I can just crop it out. Got a little bit more there, and so much more. You can rotate, and that gives so many possibilities for editing your videos and doing anything you want in this web app video editor. After editing the video and doing everything you like to it, just create video, let it process for a bit, and after that we just select a name, like Profit Video Demo, and we can select different sizes, the quality. I'm going to set it as high, going to do it as full HD. We can select different formats and then also different ratios. If you have any audio files, you'll be able to choose a background audio. You can even select some text on video that you can add afterwards. Once you're done with everything, just click create. And if we go to check inside our home, we'll be able to see the video exactly like we edited it. And we'll see it with everything we did, even with the filter, if we rotated it, everything else. What's more, you can even record your screen, so you don't need anything else apart from ProfitVideo. You can record your screen, drop it directly into the video maker, edit your video and upload it to YouTube or wherever you need it to be. It's as easy as just start screen record, we select what we want. I'm just going to record my entire screen. Allow, and it starts showing right here. And if I click on stop recording, I'm going to give it a file name, demo, and I'm going to save it. And I'm also going to be able to see it right here to see exactly what I did during this screen record session. You can even open up your camera so as to record yourself and have a cool presentation. So if you want to be a professional editor for a low one-time fee, grab ProfitVideo right now and I will see you inside.
Okay, this is the first upgrade you're going to see here. It says lock in text-to-speech, VSL script creator, and dedicated video player with ProfitVideo Pro. So this is the Pro version here. Now, one thing I want you to do, when you come to this page, you're going to want to do the same thing I showed you before. You're going to want to move your mouse away actually, sorry, this is a little bit trickier. And this is why you need me to help you with this. Now watch, you're going to want to go down to no thanks. Click on the no thanks button, and then you get a discount. So if you click no thanks, they're going to give you a lower price on this. You get everything that was from before, but you get a lower price on it. So make sure that you do that there. The next one here is going to be, how would you like to sell ProfitVideo licenses and keep 100% of the profits? Again, do not pay the price you see on the sales page. Go down and click the no thanks button. And what's going to happen is you can say congratulations. You can get it, and you can get it at a lower price here. So make sure you do that. Next one here, it's the enterprise version. It's going to give you some more features and stuff with this. And again, what you want to do, you can get more like your own video store, broadcast on multiple platforms, cloud-based storage, all this extra stuff here. But what you want to do, go down again, click that no thanks button, and you get the same thing that you was offered there, but for a discounted price. Next one is reseller rights. You can actually resell the software itself and keep 100% of the profits. For this one, again, you want to go click on that no thanks button. It's going to pop up a new one here. Congratulations, you get a discount. Next one here is 24/7 stream. I'm not quite sure what this one is. Let's see, it's a passive affiliate income commissions. Full commercial rights, 5 of their best-selling products, in-depth ProfitVideo affiliate marketing training, and done for you SEO optimized profit software. Again, what are we going to do? We're going to go down and we're going to click on that no thanks button, and we're going to get a discounted price on this one. That's going to pop up with a little congratulations there. And the last one here is let us give you all of our best-selling present and future products for a one-time fee. And you're going to want to do this again. Click on that no thanks button, and it's going to bring up here a discount. So all these different OTOs, completely optional. Pick and choose which ones you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about ProfitVideo and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I mean, this kind of a software, it's a one-time price compared to expensive softwares like Camtasia. Obviously, Camtasia is going to be a more robust software. It's going to be a better software for people that are doing like really in-depth video editing. If you're someone that needs all those extra tools, then maybe this isn't going to be right for you. What do I like about it? Most people don't need all the crazy fanciness that comes with these expensive video softwares. If you're just someone that needs to do basic things, you want to edit videos, you want to record your screen, maybe record your video, then this can definitely be enough for you at a very low one-time price. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at ProfitVideo, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.